Hi guys, it's Andy Robinson and thanks for checking out my channel. Today we have a stunning Tamiya Hotshot 2 on the channel today, rebuilt by Swift RC. Okay, now there's 4 Hotshots in the Hotshot family, essentially, and they are the Hotshot Mark 1, Hotshot Mark 2, the Supershot and the Hotshot 2, which is what we have here for you. Hotshot 2 released 21st of May 1987 and production ran until 1991, and this is kit 58062. Okay, so a couple of differences on the Hotshot 2 compared to other models. It's got the access hatch so you can get to the RX and speed control. The Hotshot 2 again had better CVAs, long travel shocks. The box is really cool on this as well. It was a silver coloured box with the usual excellent Tamiya artwork on. Rear uprights were different with the Hotshot 2, and the Hotshot 2 had different steering knuckles, a bit more that you'd get on the Top Force. It had the 2 holes on, whereas the previous models had 3 holes on the steering knuckles. And the brass bumper stay is different on the Hotshot 2. I say this one's brass, and the other ones are a normal sort of steel. So yeah, so there are a few differences, and what we'll do is now we'll go and take a closer look at this rather cool, stunning buggy. There we go. Isn't that an absolute beauty? So yes, this is rebuilt by a good mate of mine, Mark, from Swift RC. There's also another one of his builds there as well that he did initially. But yes, this one is literally just been built a few days ago, and he asked would I kindly like to do a little video on it, and of course I said yes. So let's go and take a closer look at it. Okay, so as I say, it's been completely stripped down and rebuilt. As well as you can see there, just as a look, you can see that brass bumper stay down there, where the other ones weren't like that. Now, Mark told me that as he's completely stripped this thing down, he's had all the screws, springs, re-zinc plated, so they're all fresh and shiny. The stabiliser stay, front stabiliser stay, that was a replacement part. Had a replacement antenna stick there. The body is from Team Blue Groove. They do excellent reproduction Tamiya bodies, and the decals were from MCI. But other than that, the Hotshot 2 is all original. I think the bumper, there is a replacement bumper as well. Anyway, let's get the body off, and we've got to do this one-handed and carefully. I always hate doing this. We'll give it a go. Okay. There, not too bad. Okay, so as I mentioned, on there. Access hatch there, and you can see you can get to the electrics through there. This has the a Futaba MC 2010 CB ESC that came with the vehicle when Mark got it, which is cool. Nice vintage electrics. I like that. Turn the vehicle round. Also, that's a Tamiya Sport Tune motor that came with the vehicle as well, so that's gone back in there. I think Mark's put a Metal Gear servo as well, and but you can't see that because obviously the chassis is all encased in the chassis there. But it is an absolutely stunning rebuild. It's really detailed well. It's very nice. All the tyres are original. They've come up well. I think Mark was telling me earlier that you put auto glim on these, it's like you use it on like you know, dashboard in cars and plastics. It'll work on all sorts of material, but he said it brings up the tyres nicely as well. You can use like the silicone spray, which is what I use, but I was saying to mine, what you can find is, although it makes it nice and shiny, it can leave the surface a bit wet and tacky sometimes for a while, and if dust gets on it, then you get all the dust trapped in it as well. But they look nice, not too overdone. So yeah, so that is a really nice vehicle there. You can see the driver in there, all nicely painted up as well. You can see all the screw heads are really nice and clean. Again, been zinc plated. It really does look like a stunning vehicle. So yes, I mean, if you want as well, you can check out Swift RC's other builds. There's if you go onto Facebook and check out Swift RC Facebook page on there, got loads of builds, hundreds of builds on there that you can check out. He's been building RC cars for many years now, Mark. He's won loads of concourse events, and this all stemmed back. He used to do professionally rebuild classic minis as well. So this is where his level of detail and workmanship comes in handy. So yeah, so look at that, fantastic stuff. So I think I've probably covered most of it from what I wanted to say. As I said, I'll just go over it again just in case I've missed anything. So it's had a new bumper, new sway bar stay and aerial, MCI decals, on the wing there and on the body, which you can see here, and the body and wing is Team Blue Groove. Everything else has been reconditioned and restored and put back together, and has really made a super job of it. I'd love to take this out for a run, but sadly I can't. But it does look rather good. So, there we go. That is a Tamiya Hotshot 2. Okay, if you like the video, give us a like and subscribe. And do check out our other upcoming videos. We should have more on the way very soon. And thank you very much. Take care, guys.